Spreading love one cake at a time, Nyam Nyam brings you a chocolate explosion drip cake with a perfectly moist chocolate cake base, chocolate buttercream, and a chocolate ganache glaze, topped with your favourite chocolates. This chocolate-loaded cake is every chocolate lover's dream. Let's get started. First, you need a 400-gram bar of dark chocolate, and we're going to cut that up into small pieces. Next, we're going to add 200 millilitres of whipping cream to a pan and let it bubble away on the stove. Then we're going to pour that hot whipping cream onto our broken chocolate pieces and whisk away until it's all dissolved. And there we have our chocolate ganache. Next, we're going to get our chocolate sponge cake. We're going to cut it in half and on the first layer add our chocolate ganache. On our second layer, we're going to put some buttercream chocolate. Spread that all along the top and around the sides, completely covering our cake. Smooth it over if you wish, then add our chocolate ganache around the edges, creating a drip down effect and over the entire top. Smooth that over, and time to add your favourite chocolates. Ferrero Rocher, Maltesers, Toblerone, even an Oreo cookie or two. Why not cut them in half? Absolutely delicious and super fast and super easy to make. Would not mind a slice of that.